I'm going to show you how to make a 6-panel welding cap from scratch. The first thing we're going to do is assemble the brim. If you want to add interfacing to one of the panels, you can do that, but place the right sides together, stitch the top edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip the right sides out and press it down. Next, we're going to add brim stitches. Add as many as you want. I added 4 and used a zigzag stitch. Moving on, grab your sweatband panel, place the foam on the secondary fabric, place the right sides together, and stitch the top edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and add a top stitch. This next step is optional. We're going to be using a serger to join the 2 layers of the sweatband to make it into one. Moving on, grab the crown panels, place 2 of the front back sets off to the side. Separate the middle panels with right sides facing up, locate edge B, and we're going to place the right sides together, lining up edge B, and stitch at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After finishing up the stitch, open up the panels, grab the last front back panel, and place it on the opposite side of the middle panel with right sides together, and stitch at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then add a top stitch to each seam. Lay out the assemblies and place the right sides together, lining up the outside edges and seams, and stitch the top edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip the right sides out and add a top stitch. The crowns are complete, so we can grab the band panels, place the right sides together, lining up the back seam and the center seam. Place a few pins and stitch at a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then add a top stitch. Lay out both assemblies with the front center facing forward, and we're going to line up the center brim with the center assembly, place a few pins. Then grab the lining, place it over top with the right sides together, lining up the back seam, stitch all the way around the outside edge, leaving a 2 to 4 inch gap. Find the opening, flip the right sides out, push the fabric inward so the right sides are together, and add a top stitch all the way around the bottom edge. The last thing you need to do is add your branding, and your welding cap is complete.